For those of you who still think Bruno Fernandes does not deserve to win the Premier League Best Player of the Year this season, watch this video above. Yeah, let's watch together. See that goal. Clean goal. The matter of fact is the set piece master. Nobody come close to him when it comes to set piece. Call him that set piece merchant. Get in there, Joe. Clean goal. Yeah, where are you? Sesko. Get in there. Clean goal. Now look at the final assist that happened yesterday. Just look at it. Set it for him. Get in there, Joe. Number 20. Sealed. And our next game determines if he breaks the record or not. But I'm very sure he's gonna break the record. Doubt me not.